In our Eco Soul Art classes, we will use a nature-based approach. We'll be going out into the woods or onto the beach and collecting things that we see or taking pictures and using that in our artwork. The artwork will be mixed media, as you saw in the pictures that were just shown on the screen. We will also take time to listen and smell and take in all of the world around us that we are part of. The nature-based approach includes the basic concepts of expressive arts work and expands them to include and emphasize the human relationship within the more than human world. Sometimes we forget we're not just going into nature, we are part of nature. And even though this is a simple art class and these are simple art projects, I would love it if it could bring us back into that connection that we have so sadly lost in this modern world of machines and rushing and bells and Twitter feeds. So we'll quiet our minds and brave the mosquitoes in the summer and get back outside into this wide expansive world and begin to care again, because we need that, and we need that connection for our own soul's healing. Nature calls to our very spirits, asking us to notice. We will stoop to gather small pebbles for our pockets, and tiny flowers will wink at us from the grass. We'll carry fistfuls of shells and bamboo and twigs and leaves. In nature, we stay childlike in our awe, and our sense of magic and mystery is renewed and nurtured. You know how it is. You point at sunsets or gaze at the moon. So the sticks and the feathers that we find will make their way home with us and into our art projects. For many of us, we long to chronicle our experience of nature. And some of us feel that our artistic talents are just not honed in enough to draw that tree or paint that sunset. But we can take a picture and we can put it into our nature journal, and we can make a mixed media piece with that. We can gather up those feathers and we can wrap them and make a smudge fan or incorporate them into a picture. There is a solution to this desire, one that rings honest and true in our hearts, one that is readily available, and one that will allow us to work with what we see, what we hear, and what we feel on those morning and evening walks. We'll use a variety of traditional techniques in non-traditional ways. And this will allow us to enter the world of nature through mixed media arts.